We have friends from across the country joining us. If you can just simply put up the locations from where you have logged in, that would be really good. And I am just enabling the chat options, and you can put up publicly where are you all from. So that will help us. Okay, Agra, Madhya Pradesh, Indore. Okay, many of them from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Lucknow. Okay, Hoshangabad, Madhya Pradesh, Satna, Indore, Bandnagar. Lalitpur. Okay, Bangalore. Nirupama from Bangalore. Nidhi from Bangalore. Hi Nidhi, you're Balu sir's daughter. Okay, hi. Chalo, good. So Papa passed on the link to you. Okay. Good to see that. Okay. So all across and more or less from Madhya Pradesh and as well as from Lucknow, as well as from Bangalore, Kota, Rajasthan. Great. So happy to have all of you here on this particular session, and I know ever since you all have cleared, you have different kind of thoughts going on, and everybody coming and giving you the advice. Advice is something which is freely available for all of you now till the time you passed your exams. Now everybody is there to boss you out, make you confused. Okay, Bangalore se do jane hain. Very good. Great. Nice to see that. Okay. I am Chartered Accountant Deepak Mulchandani, and fortunately I would have been a bit fortunate enough to coach and train some of you in CA Foundations, Intermediates, IPCC and exams as far as I understand. And from there you would have got connected. Few of them, not all of you all, but yes, most of you would have been a part of NAHATA Academy at one point of time. So before things go further, I would take some ground rules. Okay, and I am visible, Damini, I am visible clearly to others, so I should be visible to you also. Rubal, you can switch off your camera for the time being, that will be good. Yeah. Okay. So there are loads of questions and even participants coming in. So I'll just put another minute and 5:45. We should be starting and get going with it. Then we'll close the doors. Okay. So slide is visible. I am visible to you. And there would be a whole set of questions you would be having to bombard me. What is this? What is that? What is to happen? What is not to happen? How do I decide things? What to do in ICI campus? How are going to things to be going from here and there? Okay. I think this discussion, Nikhil, here is about chartered accountants, and I am right now not into that career counseling mode, Nikhil, so I can give you the suggestions after this meeting. This meeting is purely focused on what chartered accountant have opportunities. Okay, and now I will be disabling the chat window option for all of you so that I can tell what is to be told from my side, and then I'll open up the chat window after some time. Okay. So couple of ground rules. Number one, I would be telling you what chartered accountancy options are, where chartered accountancy options, after that where we can help you as NAHATA Academy, and those questions that will we be having a campus or not. All those things I am supposed to tell you today. So thanks to the Zoom option enabled in the last 1 year that we can have these meetings. Otherwise you all coming up to the campus and attending that meeting in NAHATA Academy premises would have been a task. Okay. So can we get going now? So first thing, when you become a chartered accountant, so that's a kind of an achievement which you develop with your own self. Now what happens? Sir, what are the opportunities after becoming a chartered accountant? पहले तक तो बहुत clear था कि मेरे को exam clear करनी. Now there is a similar kind of a blank situation in front of all of us, what to do and what not to do. So what are the opportunities now? Somebody wants to study further, somebody wants to do a job, somebody wants to get into practice, somebody wants to pursue another course, somebody wants to get into a situation of entrepreneurship. A lot of kind of questions would have been popping up in your mind. And if you all maintain the decorum, I would like to make this session an interactive one and enable the chat option. But if you would maintain the decorum, I will take all the questions one by one. Okay. So now I've enabled the option that you can chat with me personally rather than putting any answers to everyone. Okay. So the chat option is enabled. I can see the chats, but those will be addressed to me only. Okay. So what are the opportunities? If you put up the opportunities for chartered accountants, first is you get into a job, you work for a company. Second is you get into your own practice. That is your own practice. You practice in your own name. You start your own business, looking up to the likes of Kumar Mangalam Birla and other people. Even a JJ Valaya getting into designing. That's his own business, being a chartered accountant. Okay. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you. If you all can just give me a confirmation of A plus V, A for audible and V for visible in the chat box in a quick fire, because I've got a couple of messages, they are not able to hear me. So Saurabh, you need to log out and log in. Everybody else, yes. Okay. Okay, so those who have got an issue in terms of voice, they need to log out and then log in again. So I'm continuing. Okay, so you need to open up your own business. Sir, it's a very lucrative thing to get into teaching also. We see many teachers making good amount of money, people like you, and we would like to get into teaching and give you a competition. So teaching is also one more option after getting into chartered accountancy, and then some further studies. So what I plan to do now is, under everything I'll be taking all of them in detail. Okay, so I would request you all to have your pen and paper or a pad ready so that you can note down certain things that will help you and make your life easier. Okay. So opportunities for CA once you get into a job. Under that job and practice, two divergence which you have. So job you do under a CA firm, being a practicing chartered accountant. A chartered accountant is made for the purpose of audit and taxation, and that's the core work of a chartered accountant for which CAs are made. So that you do into a CA firm. So you get into a big four, PwC, Deloitte, KPMG, EY. So you get into a big four, or you go into an industry. Okay, so you can do a job in a CA firm, you can do a job in a big four, you can do a job in an industry. Okay. Under when you come into a practice, if you start your own practice, you can go into direct taxation, you go into indirect taxation, and you go into audit and advisory. Okay, so this is the basic structure where you go in. Now let us go deep dive into each one of them one by one. So when you go into a job, an audited job in a CA firm or big four, whichever you may choose to. So first of all, liking kya hai? Sir, what do I like to do? What would I like to prefer for myself? Sir, the biggest question which comes to our mind is, I am not able to decide what is right for me. It seems like you have a buffet of things now and you have to pick and choose, and you are confused about your choices, that what should I do, what should I not do. So I am here today not to tell you what to pick, what not to pick, but I am here to tell you that before you pick up any option, what are the things behind the scenes happening. Correct? So that means what exactly a job offer means, what exactly a job responsibility will mean, what exactly you will do in a particular field. Because there are a lot of things which comes into our mind, because some people love finance and they say mujhe finance mein jana hai. But what exactly the finance field has for you? Because you were in love with your strategic financial management paper, so you say I want to go into finance. You were very fond of doing direct taxation, you think I need to go into direct taxation, मुझे tax में जाना है. Those kind of things and thoughts come into the mind of candidates. The point is, understand, you do the whole syllabus of a subject and you command the overall subject at one go. But when you are into a job, when you are into a specialization, you won't be dealing with the whole subject at one go. You will be dealing with certain aspects, you will be dealing with a specialization. Under that specialization, you need to understand how things are going to work. So there is a difference between the theoretical part which you have understood and studied, and there's a difference between the practical world which is going to offer you things. So at that point of time, when you say big four firms or CA firms I would like to join, what it will comprise of all about? So they have an audit division. That is the gold standard, the pure thing what an auditor is made for. Second, they will have an advisory division. Okay, so audit and advisory, these are the two biggest practice areas for big CA firms. In advisory, you do everything other than statutory audit. A taxation advice, a GST advice, a merger acquisition advice, financial due diligence, audit advisory, whatever you may say, all that falls under the advisory category. Under the audit, the original thing to be done for anyone is, that is statutory audit. An audit under the Companies Act, that is the statutory audit which you say. And then there is an internal audit. Okay. Smaller firms, people coming from Indore and smaller cities, unke offices mein there is a challenge. What happens in any small firm, you do an audit in totality. You do the taxation of the client, you help him prepare financial statements also, you file his return also. So at times you are not able to bifurcate itself. Statutory audit mein kya hai, internal audit mein kya hai, in practicals. Theoretical to मालूम है. Internal audit is by the management, for the management, of the management. Okay. So now what happens is, under the advisory division, which have got new names nowadays, one is IT audit, other is fraud and forensics, tax related advice, mergers and acquisitions, and transaction advisory services. Now these things come under various fancy names. This is called TAS, this is called M&A, this is called DT, TP, transfer pricing, IDT, correct? Fraud and forensics is again FNF, fraud and forensics. IT audit is for systems, process, audits and controls. And then the statutory audit, which you have under the Companies Act. And internal audit as guided by management. राइटिंग दिख रहा है? थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख रहा है कि नहीं? Okay. So now, do you want me to take them one by one into this internal audit and everything? Should I go one by one? Are you able to be with me now? You are able to make some sense? Give me a yes or no. Okay. Okay. So I've got a majority of yes. So I'm going further on this. So now, what happens further under internal audit when you go in? So there is something called system process assurance, and second is called, there's something called risk advisory. I'll show you just a minute. Under the system process assurance internal audit, if you see what basically they do. Oops, एक minute. ये पूरा नहीं दिख रहा है ना, पहले दिख रहा था ना बराबर. The screen seems to be behaving in a notorious. So that is risk advisory business into it. And under risk advisory business, when you have to do the audits, you have to travel to various locations. ये ध्यान रखना. When you are into internal audit, you don't expect to be stationed in a similar position in a similar place. You need to go to the factories, you need to understand their processes, and you need to interact with people at large. Internal audit उन लोगों को बहुत पसंद आता है. Internal audit उन लोगों को बहुत पसंद आता है who are a people person who want a new challenge on a daily basis. Correct? ये ध्यान रखना. If you are a people person, you want to understand about various businesses, कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, but I am not too tech savvy, तो आप रिस्क एडवाइजरी की तरफ आते हो. आपको अगर नंबर क्रंचिंग और लैपटॉप पे काम करने में बड़ा मजा आता है, सो देन यू कैन गो इनटू सिस्टम प्रोसेस एश्योरेंस. सर मुझे ये दोनों नहीं करना है, आई डोंट लाइक ऑल दिस, आई एम हैप्पी विथ माई Ind AS, I am happy with my IFRS, I am happy with my IFRS, I am happy with my standards on auditing, I am happy with my code of ethics. So then you are made for statutory audit. Then you are made for statutory audit. Statutory audit, every 3 months, if you are auditing a listed entity, you have to consolidate all the details from various units coming together, develop the financial numbers and put it for disclosure. So limited reviews performed every 3 months. At the end of the year, then audit is performed. There are various other compliances which come to you for statutory audit. So statutory audit is more about the legal angle. Internal audit is more about the efficiency of the company. So when people try to improve the efficiency of the company, they hire companies for internal audit purposes in system process assurance and risk advisory. Correct? यहाँ तक clear? Hello. So I need to have a yes no from all of you to see that you are not sleeping. As I've asked you all to keep your cameras on switch off mode, so that becomes a good opportunity for moving around here and there and listening to me like a podcast is going on. That should not so happen. Okay. Any questions till now till statutory, system process and risk advisory? Pankhuri comes with a very relevant question. Is it true that if we are given one company for an audit, then we are stuck with the same company? Pankhuri, मैं इस question को थोड़ा सा change करता हूँ. You go draw a salary and I appoint you in a company for a particular company. 6 months you understand and learn the audit system of that particular company. Okay. And then after some time you say, मैं bore हो गई हूँ, I want to have a change. As the owner of the company, what do you think? Will you ask the resource to do the same work or not? Pankhuri, will you ask the resource to do the same work or not? You will ask. So the same thing will apply to you, na? Industry will remain the same. Companies can change. For example, you are taken up for pharma. So if you do a pharma company A, so then you will be asked to do another pharma company B. You can't go into construction. And my point is, if you are even stuck with one company, what is wrong in that? Your efficiency will increase on a daily basis. I hope I have addressed your question, beta. Okay. Anybody else who have got a question? एक क्वेश्चन जेनरिकली सब जने पूछते हैं, सर वर्क प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है क्या? आई हैव हर्ड द स्टोरीज, बहुत 12-12 घंटे काम करना पड़ता है, 12 hours वर्किंग इज नॉर्मल इन बिग फोर, इन एवरी डिवीजन. ऐसा है क्या? मैं आंसर इज यस. आंसर इज यस. और काम सब में होता है. यू आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सपेक्ट गुड अमाउंट ऑफ सैलरीज, गुड अमाउंट ऑफ रेम्यूनरेशंस फ्रॉम देम. You can't simply have a 9 to 5 work day and simply get that salary. Please understand, that is, be very clear on that. If you want to be somebody which nobody else has done, then you have to do those things which nobody else has done. Okay. Aman, you have a relevant question. I'll put that question to all. Aman asks me, having done articleship from a mid-sized firm and not much exposed to large audits, will this be challenging in auditing Big Four clients? The answer is no, it will not be a challenge. Problem is, if your learning attitude is there, you will be able to go and understand and learn everything, because at the end of the day, even if it's a Infosys or a Wipro or a Hindustan Lever or a small ABC Private Limited, the rules and regulations and the laws and Ind AS applicability is same for all. Companies Act 2013 works for all in a similar way. Standards on auditing are applied for all in a similar way. The only difference is how much you are able to absorb the knowledge and the style and the skill coming from the big four companies to you, and you are able to take them up properly. आपका learning attitude देखते हैं. Everybody sees that how much you are able to learn and adapt to the circumstances. In your interviews also, they will not expect everything out of you. But please be very clear, they would expect that your basic fundamentals of things are clear. I will send you a series of questionnaires which are the frequently asked questions in different level interviews, like say direct taxation में कौन से questions पूछते हैं वो लोग, indirect taxations what questions they ask, as well as statutory audit when they take an interview, what are the general commonly asked questions. I have compiled all those questions together and I'll be sending them across to you over the WhatsApp group. But the thing is, you should be able to know about all those basics. If somebody asks you about DTA and DTL, deferred tax asset, deferred tax liability, and if you're not able to explain them, then they will not take you. In a computerized environment, in an ERP environment, how will you ensure that the information coming to you is correct? That is something which they will train on you. Because nobody in smaller city, and smaller cities are larger in numbers as compared to metros. So nobody in smaller cities is exposed to that kind of high level sophisticated system. So don't worry about that. They are hiring you, they will train you. They want a learning attitude from you. I am repeating it. Okay? Can I go ahead now? Okay. The person whom you have come today, okay, Surya has got a particular question. I have done my articleship from a smaller city. How should I groom myself? Surya, you are into this particular session today. That is the first step of grooming. You want to learn, you want to understand, you have invested your time today in the evening, you are sitting here in front of the Zoom meeting to understand and upgrade yourself, na? So that's a good thing. If you ask me, is there a pill, is there a software, is there a download or a PDF file which will groom me overnight? Surya bhai, it will not happen. The overall capability of you to understand and adapt various things from different sources will make a difference to you. I can't give you a simple one shot software or a link or an update कि इससे आप groom हो जाओगे. And doing articleship from a smaller city is never a crime. मैं फिर repeat कर रहा हूँ. I have done from smaller city. I was into a sole proprietor CA firm till my articleship days. After completing CA, I went to Bangalore and I joined AF Ferguson's. And then I started learning. So the learning attitude is the most important thing. Okay, can I move ahead now? I want a yes or no. Can I move ahead? So that's a way to ask you that, are you sleeping? So if you say yes, no, you are not sleeping. Okay. ठीक है. So now IT audit. ये बड़ा मज़ेदार होता है भाई. IT audit. Sir, what IT audit is all about? ये क्या करवाता है हम लोगों से? नाम सुन के क्या लग रहा है? ये इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी वाला है या इनकम टैक्स वाला है? सर, दिस इज इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, IT audit. So here IT audit, you actually go on to the extent of talking at the big level of artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotic process assessments, or robotic process automation, sorry. So all these things, do you think are going to affect the CA field or not? I want to have an answer from you. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotic process automations are going to affect the CA field or not? Give me an answer. To what extent? To a smaller extent or to a larger extent? So to a larger extent. And the biggest problem is our course material our course material is not factoring all this as of now also. You have also passed in the revised CA final syllabus. But do you think if today's seminar was to be done on a paid basis, all of you would have paid through Paytm or a digital wallet to me and entered into this seminar? What kind of a trail you would be auditing after the seminar is over? Let's say I charged, let's say 10,000 rupees from all of you and 68 people are here. So I got how much? 6.5 lakh rupees would have come through me through digital wallets. And how would you audit and put it across? That's a trail which is not available. And if the trail is available, it is in the digital format. So you need to understand the digital format and get into the trail. Yes or no? So that is something which you need to understand. Yes or no? So that is something which we need to understand. That is going to be the future. अभी आज की तारीख में everything which is going this way, you need to see and understand how it is going to happen. Otherwise it won't work. Shruti, these questions, articleship related, form filling, these questions I will take up afterwards. Let me complete this whole chart first of all. ये generic questions मैं ले लूँगा आपके बेटा. Just give me some time. This is more technical stuff which I am trying to discuss and tell you all. I will take these questions. Articleship में transfer है, नहीं है, क्या करूँ, कैसे करूँ, I will take up. So sir, IT audit will take you to those levels. IT audit will be futuristic in nature. They definitely want some technical input from you. But sir, I am not a very good technical person right now. I know only how to operate Tally. I understand how ERP works. And I understand what is the impact of all the transaction in taxation angle. That is enough. IT audits mein you will be along with certain technical people working together. So you will be given training in those modules if they offer you such positions. Clear? Damini, I answered your question. If no experience in articleship in IT audit, will it be good for us? Yes. Then next comes is fraud and forensic. आप बच्चे वो हो जिन्होंने मनी हाइस्ट देखा हुआ है. हैव यू सीन मनी हाइस्ट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सीन मनी हाइस्ट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सीन सूट्स? बहुत टाइम पास किया है तुम लोगों ने लॉकडाउन में, है ना? यू हैव सीन ऑल दी स्टफ. सर ये सब देखा हुआ है हमने. सो द काइंड ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्राइम विच यू हैव, द वे थिंग with the way things come up to you and the way things work for you, the frauds are like when they go beyond a particular level. So fraud mansikta to check that somebody is having a fraudulent nature is altogether on a different level itself. So what you do in that, you understand the nature, the attitude, the situation. So it's more of half psychological, half technical and half skeptical work. So it's like a mix of these things. If you want to do the jasusi kind of things, if you want to be skeptical, if you want to question the concepts, then fraud and forensic helps you. Sir, fraud and forensic हमने इंदौर में तो छोटे सिटी में बैठ के किया नहीं मेरी फर्म में. No problems, they will train you. तो सर कुल मिला के ट्रेनिंग वो देंगे हमको, बिल्कुल देंगे, हर चीज पे देंगे वो. Fraud and forensic clear? Any questions for fraud and forensic? Any questions on fraud and forensic? How many of you find this? Because this is a very kind of an attractive field. Many of the candidates come up and saying, sir, fraud forensic में जाना है मुझे, fraud forensic में जाना है. Anybody who has got this kind of a liking that I would like to go into fraud and forensic? By the way, the salary is more in fraud and forensic. Huh? That will be a big motivation for all of you. Salary is more. Sir, but the entry will be tough, na? It's a very fascinating field, Sheetal, I'll tell you. I am more of that kind of a person. So I really love doing such kind of assignments. It is there in all the big fours, and there are Nidhi, separate companies also doing all these fraud and forensics. Separate boutique advisory firms. Let's say if you know a BDO, if you ask me GT, all of them have this. ये बिग फोर में ही होती profiles. Okay, we get into such kind of jobs, Nirupama. There are vacancies available, there are posts and offerings available at fresher level also. So when you apply for such positions, you need to be very clear that I want to apply for this position only. All the students who were there in the WhatsApp group with me, मैंने day one पर उन सबको एक message डाला था. After you have become a CA, you are in such a hurry to send CVs everywhere. Don't send CVs. You are not a commodity. You are not a parcha. You can say anywhere, "Arey, mera CV, mera CV, mera CV." Understand what you want to do. Today's session is based on that only. This is something which I have been doing for last 8 years now. Every 6 months, that I sit down and only tell my children that this is what is available for a chartered accountant. Tell me honestly, for how many of you it's more of a better information available today in the last 30-40 minutes what you have listened to me? How many of you thinking that okay, we are getting a bigger, better version of information? कितनों को लग रहा है? So give me a yes or a no on the chat box. See, that's the purpose. Chartered accountants are made up for more. Just not behind that. So आपको सिर्फ ट्रू एंड फेयर नहीं करना है मेरे दोस्त. So that is what I am trying to tell you. Chartered accountants are capable of many more things as compared to what the world looks about. People have a very myopic view of chartered accountancy course. I have a very broad view for the CA course. And why am I saying it so confidently? Because I have worked in all the three of them which I have told you. I was 5 years into Deloitte and PwC. And I was asked to go abroad on a secondment from Deloitte to London for 3 months. And I worked there and worked in companies, and I was asked to audit the Madame Tussauds Adventure Park, a castle, a wine distribution company, a steel manufacturing plant. So the kind of variety of exposure which I got made me realize and understand that we chartered accountants are capable of many more things as compared to what the world thinks about from us. That's the purpose of giving you an idea. Now let's come to the tech. Can I go ahead now? Now let us come to the traditional division called tax. So tax के अंदर direct tax है और उसके बाद indirect tax है. So indirect tax has become more of a compliance issue over the last 2 years, and your articleship got dedicated to GST only, if you may ask me. Ever since you were into articleship, you have been struggling with all the GST problems. Am I correct? If you have got some work related to indirect tax in your office, what you have been doing is you have been cursing GST, trying to get the OTPs and CAPTCHA codes, nothing else. आपका गलती नहीं है. Don't blame yourself. The whole country has been struggling for all that things only. But by the time you were in a lockdown and by the time you have become a chartered accountant, there has been a big change in income tax also. Income tax mein things are going faceless. Faceless assessment was one. Now the next step has started is faceless appeals. Can you understand the impact of faceless assessment and faceless appeals? What is going to be the impact of all that? पहले क्या होता था, you go and sit across into the front of an income tax officer or a commissioner, and then the income tax officer and commissioner will ask you that this is to be done, and then things would have gone into a various reconciliatory way by way of giving some facilitation charges and by accommodating each other. Now questions will come over email. You have to submit the documents over email. You are not supposed to meet that person. अभी पता है क्या होगा? People who used to have very good connections with income tax officers are of no use now. Now things will be faceless. तो यहाँ पर it is going to be a great opportunity for people who are now good at drafting replies properly and appropriately. Rather than your interpersonal skills, now your drafting skills and replying skills will be mattered the most. Difference समझ में आया? Hello? Correct? So now it's more about drafting. So if you have been good at drafting appeals, if you have been good at drafting, and if you are good at writing law, some people have this particular liking to understand the laws, the provisions, the sections and subsections in a very finer way, in a very nicer way. If you have been very good at solving problems of taxation related issues, giving replies in office, then direct tax and indirect tax is going to appeal you now. Acha, one thing which I would like to clear, syllabus ke angle se, you study the whole syllabus together, but when you are into a CA firm, you don't study the whole syllabus and you don't handle the client in completeness. You will not be an alone person developing the computation of income for a big company. There will be 10 different type of people working on every single number to be brought into the computation. So ऐसा नहीं होगा कि you will be drawing the computation on your own in the initial years. तो ये प्लीज ध्यान रखना. अच्छा, डायरेक्ट टैक्स और इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स के अंदर भी जब हम जाते हैं तो डायरेक्ट टैक्स में प्योर डायरेक्ट टैक्स प्रैक्टिस होती है. उसके बाद एक प्रैक्टिस होती है ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग की. ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग के सेक्शंस बताएंगे आप मुझे? सेक्शन इन इनकम टैक्स फ्रॉम वेयर टू वेयर ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग सेक्शंस अप्लाई? Small test I am giving. I just want to understand how many of you are quoting the right section at least. Everybody has to give the answer. It's a compulsion. अरे सर एग्जाम हो गई, अभी क्यों परेशान करते हो? सर सेक्शन 92 सर. Yes or no? So section 92, A, B, C, D, E, F and various particular sections are coming up into it. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, transfer pricing will apply to what? To a domestic company? No sir. Transaction between, very good Damini, transaction between associate enterprises of which one should be a non-resident. Very good. So इसका मतलब compulsorily you will need to have a person who is into either an import-export business or is a multinational company. Correct? So once it's a multinational company क्या करेंगे? So specified domestic transactions also it will apply, but majorly transfer pricing provisions apply to what? International companies, na? So multinational companies will have auditors which are local or which are multinational. Sir, multinational auditors. So multinational auditors are who? Sir, the big four. So they have a separate transfer pricing division. So what basically transfer pricing division actually does, you wouldn't be required to travel in transfer pricing division, point one. You will be stationed out of one particular location only. You will not be traveling a lot and you will be working for clients based abroad on the requirements and directions as required. तो वहाँ बाकायदा एक सेट प्रोसेस होगा, सेट फॉर्मेट होगा, उसी फॉर्मेट को तुमको फॉलो करते हुए ट्रांजैक्शंस की रिपोर्टिंग और एडवाइस देनी होगी. आप ऐसा सोच रहे हो कि आप बाकायदा सूट्स की तरह, हार्वी स्पेक्टर और माइक रॉस की तरह, if you think you are a Mike Ross or a Harvey Specter, you come across and put up the papers in front of the table and make people differently think, it's not going to happen, okay? No, because the way we watch movies and web series, it has got a big impact on all of us. Right from the likes of Harvey Specter to Kaleen Bhaiya, everywhere you have got a different kind of an influential process on you. Okay? So the kind of persons you admire and aspire for, I need to bring that reality check ki boss, that's real life, let's get to real life. For your kind information, the legal practice is not the same as it is shown in suits in US. Okay, so direct taxation, transfer pricing, ये दोनों clear? So transfer pricing jobs will be good enough for you if you want to be at one place only, you don't like to travel one city itself, so then transfer pricing helps you. Direct tax clear? So can I move forward? Yes, no? Okay, great. Let's go to the next one. Okay, indirect taxation. Sir, indirect taxation till date. Taxation advice, जैसे ही आप मल्टीनेशनल्स के पास जाओगे ना, they will be only taking care of from the big four. But otherwise, taxation advice is very localized. When you go into bigger firms, they are advising clients on a bigger level. पर हार्डकोर डे टू डे टैक्सेशन अगर आपको करना है, सो दैट इज ऑलवेज देयर विद द लोकल पर्सन, बिकॉज द ओनर वुड लाइक टू इंटरैक्ट विद द फर्म. तो वहां पर आकर लोकल फर्म्स इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आस्क मी अबाउट, देर आर बिग फोर्स इन बैंगलोर, बट देर इज अ बिग फर्म कॉल्ड गुरु एंड जना ऑल्सो. JCSS, देर आर फ्यू फर्म्स ये बैंगलोर में. जैसे इंदौर में इफ यू कम टैक्सेशन के लिए अनिल कमल गर्ग हैं, एम मेहता है, अरोरा बंटिया तुलसियान है. वो लोग फिर क्या करते हैं, वो लोग को पूरा एक, हाँ, RS गोयल हैं. तो ये सब जो है ना, ये इनका लोकल पकड़ बहुत अच्छा होता है. एंड इन इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेशन ऑपरेशनल इश्यूज वगैरह आते हैं, कंप्लायंस इश्यूज आते हैं, तो वो लोकल लेवल पे ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं डिस्कस करना और इंटरेक्ट करना. सो इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेशन में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव काम मिले एट द बिगिनिंग लेवल, इसकी संभावना काफ़ी कम है. वो आपको मोर ऑफ रूटीन वर्क मिलता है. और हम क्या सोच के जाते हैं, व्हाट वी थिंक ऑफ इज, सर वी विल बी गेटिंग टू अप्लाई आवर ब्रेन्स ऑन व्हाट सेक्शन टू अप्लाई, हाउ टू प्रेजेंट इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द अपीलेट अथॉरिटी. ये सब आप एज अ फ्रेशर कर लोगे तो पार्टनर क्या करेगा भाई. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, यू विल बी एंटरिंग इनटू अ बिगर सेटअप at a smaller level, so you have to climb your way slowly and gradually up and up and up and up. ठीक है. इसके बाद एक आता है डिवीजन मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशंस. ये भी एक बड़ा फेवरेट सब लोगों का वो है, मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशन. Any idea about mergers and acquisition? You would have heard a lot about this. And especially in the startup scenario nowadays, sir, everybody should come and acquire me. Sir, मैं मेरे बिजनेस को हार्वेस्ट करूंगा, कैश आउट करूंगा. यस और नो? मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशंस, सर बिजनेस कॉम्बिनेशन का हमने बहुत अजीबोगरीब इंडिया भी सीखा है. वैल्यूएशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, करेक्ट. तो mergers and acquisitions happens from what angle? Again, mergers and acquisitions के एडवाइस लेने आप कौन से लॉयर के पास, कौन सी फर्म के पास जाओगे, छोटे मोटे स्टार्टअप प्रोसेस के साथ या फिर एक एस्टैब्लिश्ड फर्म के पास. करेक्ट. सो यू हैव टू गो टू एस्टैब्लिश्ड पीपल, सो दे एडवाइज ऑन mergers and acquisition. Merger and acquisition में what they do, sir, they perform a due diligence, they come up to a valuation process, they prepare all the legal requirements. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट उल्टा सोचते हैं, सबसे पहले लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट सोचते हैं. लीगल सबसे एंड में होता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू ट्राई टू डेवलप एंड डू अ फाइनेंशियल ड्यू डिलिजेंस, देन यू सेकेंडली गो इनटू a valuation position, then you consider all the qualitative aspects, is it a strategic fit or not, and then come up to a decision that whether I want to acquire and buy this or not. Correct? So all those things work from that particular angle. So again offered by bigger companies. मैं सिर्फ बिग फोर नहीं बोलूँगा, बिकॉज बिग फोर से अब दायरा काफ़ी बड़ा हो गया है. नाउ इट इज़ इंक्लूडिंग BDO, it is including BMR, it is also including Grant Thornton, it is also including Grant Thornton, I said na, SKP. So there are many other firms which are getting into all these kind of different type of niche working. So what I would also suggest is, you are, once you settle down with all that hype and hoopla that you have become a chartered accountant, आई टेल यू, घर में अभी तक तो रोज आपको टीका ही लगा रहा होगा, हाय मेरा बेटा, हाय मेरी बेटी सीए बन गई, सीएस बन गई। हाँ हो गया, अभी उनको उनको वहां खुश रहने दो। आपको अभी अपना सोचने का है कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई हैव टू डू, बिकॉज फॉर देम द मिशन इज ओवर नाउ। यू हैव बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, योर बैटल स्टार्ट्स नाउ, that what you want to do. You have made yourself a privileged person enough now, saying that okay, I have achieved something, now I should do what I would like to do. And what you like to do, first of all you need to understand what to like and what not to like, and that is the purpose of this particular session. Okay, anything else you want to ask in mergers and acquisition? And then you have something called TAS, Transaction Advisory Services. Hello. So transaction advisory services is when you enter into different kind of transactions at a bigger level, when you have got multiple entities, various branches, various subsidiaries going from one place to another, international and domestic level transactions happening, various depots, units. So all these things are अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज। आपको हर ट्रांजैक्शन पे एडवाइस करके देनी है उनको, डे टू डे उनको सपोर्ट चाहिए रहता है। अभी वन मोर थिंग विच इज डेवलप्ड ओवर द लास्ट ईयर इटसेल्फ इज समथिंग कॉल्ड सीएफओ एडवाइजरी। नाम सुना है आपने, सीएफओ एडवाइजरी? हैव यू हर्ड समथिंग कॉल्ड सीएफओ एडवाइजरी? It's a 2-year-old concept now. CFO advisory is what the chief financial officer has to take decisions on a lot of things, and nowadays law is putting up a lot of responsibility on CEO and CFO. आप सब लोगों को IFC और क्लॉज 49 पता है कि नहीं पता है? इंटरनल फाइनेंशियल कंट्रोल्स, क्लॉज 49. Are you aware of that? So under the clause 49, who is supposed to give? Nitin Jaiswal. It was in syllabus. Congratulations, you passed out without knowing that. Yes, Rajat. Yes, Rubal, you are correct. CFO and CEO are supposed to give a certificate. Correct? Sir, they are supposed to give a certificate saying that everything is proper and all the controls are working properly. Yes or no? A compliance certificate is to be given. Correct. So now what happens is the CFO cannot simply decide based on the information and input given by the management. Correct. So CFO goes to an external party saying ki boss, my company is saying all the systems are working and properly and they are adequate, can you come and do a proper check? So people say okay, we'll do a check. So they send a team, and the team is comprising of member like you, who go and check that okay, all the financial control systems are in place, they are sufficient as per the requirement, they are adequate and working. So when all these things combined together come into and give an assurance, that is called CFO advisory. What is it called? CFO advisory. अभी समझ में आया? अरे फिर वैसा हो गया ना। हेलो, रजत, I'll come to that. What role that SDC? हाँ मैं आ रहा हूँ उस पे। Deloitte, USI and PwC, SDC. I'm coming to that. Just wait. Am I audible and visible to all? Because people said that I am not audible, that's why. Okay, just a minute. ट्रांजैक्शन एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज हो गया? ऊपर okay. Mayur is coming up, and is there any post in relation to stock valuations and analysis? Mayur, I know you are coming from strategic financial management and you have read and understood the financial models and Black-Scholes model of valuation in a lot of detail, and you are very happy computing all this data for financial analysis, and as well as this beta which you calculate for portfolio management, all these things taken together. Am I correct? मयूर, इन सब चीज़ों के सॉफ्टवेयर ऑलरेडी बन चुके हैं. ऑल द बिगर कंपनीज एंड वैल्यूएशन कंपनीज हैव ऑल दीज फॉर्मूलाज ऑलरेडी फिट इनटू द सॉफ्टवेयर्स. So all the valuations nowadays go through machines. People do not apply their brains the way you applied your brains in strategic financial management subjects. तो उनके टूल्स को सिखाते हैं, और इसके लिए आपको जो शेयर ब्रोकिंग और स्टॉक ब्रोकिंग कंपनीज हैं, और इसके अलावा एक आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा क्रेडिट स्विस, एंड देन केपीएमजी ग्लोबल सर्विसेज, डेलॉयट यूएसआई एंड पीडब्ल्यूसी एसडीसी. ये सब लोग जो हैं, आप ध्यान से नाम सुन लेना. मैं आपको 4 नाम बता रहा हूँ. ये चारों नाम सिमिलर टू बिग 4 लगते हैं, पर ये बिग 4 वाला काम नहीं करते हैं. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. ये टेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस, ओके, व्हाट आई एम राइटिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन. सी, be aware of following. Number 1, PwC is not is equals to PwC SDC. Okay. EY is not equal to EY GDS. KPMG is not equal to KPMG Global Services. Similarly, Deloitte is not equal to Deloitte USI. Okay, why am I writing so? All these 4 of them, ये जो हैं, they are subsidiary of Big 4 doing KPO work of foreign clients in India. PwC SDC आपको मिलेगा कोलकाता में, EY GDS आपको मिलेगा बैंगलोर में, KPMG ग्लोबल सर्विसेज आपको बैंगलोर और गुड़गांव में मिलेगा, एंड डेलॉयट यूएस ऑफिस आपको हैदराबाद में मिलेगा. एम आई करेक्ट? अच्छा, व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट कैच? वो आपको नाम भेजेंगे PwC SDC. ठीक है, PwC SDC, तो आप तो PwC देखते हो, आप SDC नहीं देखते हो. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन दैट इज salaries are very good, usually 5-day week, and third is shift wise working. If you really want to have a chilled out life, मेरे को ज़्यादा काम नहीं करने का, I have done enough of work, I want to have a good fat pocket money with myself, and I don't want to apply too much of my brain. 5 days I would like to go and come back, join all this PwC SDC, Deloitte USI office and all these 4. Then this is a place for you to join. But if you are a chartered accountant made for hardcore good finance, audit, taxation, system, advisory work, then these 4 are not meant for you. these four are meant for you. I hope I have been able to give some clarity on this issue directly. फ्यूचर स्कोप पीडब्ल्यूसी एसडीसी और जितने भी केपीओज है उनमें बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, आप उन्हीं के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में यू विल कीप ऑन प्रोग्रेसिंग. नहीं, आफ्टर 2-3 years when you work here, you will be they will ask you to do accounts, they will ask you to do accounting for foreign clients, and in 1-2 years you will forget everything what is going on in India. So what will happen is, this is something which you need to be very careful of. In the beginning years you should not be doing this if you really want to keep your chartered accountant alive in yourself. How many of you think that yes sir, this was not known to us, now it's clear to us? Give me a yes or no. Chalo, good. So if it's giving some more, चलो अच्छा है, काम आ रही है ना जानकारी. मतलब it's been almost an hour right now, and you have been still listening to me, and most of the candidates are still there in the session, so that means I'm making some sense to you. आप लोग लेक्चर भी नहीं सुनते इतनी देर तो, डायरेक्ट टैक्स का और बाकी सब अकाउंट्स वगैरह का, but you have been bearing me for almost an hour, so that means I'm serving some utility to you. चलो, so can I go further? ओके, ठीक है सर, ये हो गया, ठीक है. ये तो अपन ने कर लिया था पूरा. ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ, नाउ लेट्स कम टू अ जॉब. ये सब सीए वाली फील्ड हो गई, आपका सीए प्रोफेशन, बिग फोर वगैरह हो गया. सो नाउ यू हैव अ क्लैरिटी व्हाट बिग फोर्स ऑफर यू, what big fours work on to, what are the various different divisions and sections on which they work. Okay, now let me come to the job scenario. Sir, CA firm we have done, big four we have done. Now let's come to industry. Correct. So now when you come to industry, the first industry is banking industry, then you go to manufacturing, then you go to software industry, and then you go for startups. Correct. स्क्रीन पूरी विजिबल हो रही कि नहीं हो रही है? देयर आर सम इश्यूज इन द स्क्रीन. आर यू एबल टू सी द वर्ड स्टार्टअप्स ऑन द स्क्रीन? वो स्टार्टअप इज गेटिंग ब्लॉक्ड ना. गिव मी अ मिनट बिकॉज अदरवाइज थिंग्स विल गो हेवाय. एक मिनट, आई विल जस्ट अगेन ट्राई एंड रीस्टार्ट इट. I am a bit struggling with it. Till the time, allow me banking, manufacturing, software पर बता लेने दो मेरे को. Then I'll take you to the startup. Startup may not be visible to you right now. Okay? चलेगा ना? Because we have no choice. Otherwise, I have to again switch off, switch on, log in, log out. रहने दो, मैं उसको समझा देता हूँ अभी आपको, है ना? Sir, banking, there comes a word called investment banking. Okay. It's working well here. Just a minute, give me a second. I think it should work now. आ गया. So, sir, this is a dream word for all of us, sir. I have seen Wolf of Wall Street. I would like to be an investment banker. I have seen Pursuit of Happiness, sir. I would like to pursue a career in investment banking, and I would like to sit across the table and then discuss with clients and deal or not deal. That kind of a dreamy thought we have. I would like to be a big shot, drawing a Lamborghini or something. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, हाँ वो सब हाँ आपको लगता है that across the table job you will be able to do? First of all, investment banking has offices in India. Okay, so Goldman Sachs has, JP Morgan has, and then Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan Chase and Morgan Stanley, all the three have offices in India. ये बता देता हूँ. Okay, and they hire chartered accountants beginning from 9 lakh rupees onwards. They have got the rounds of interviews, but what exactly the work which you do on their behalf? Sir, high net worth individuals, HNIs of Europe and US have loads of money to invest. Okay, so they have loads of money to invest, so they go to these investment banking companies to seek advice कि हम कहाँ पर invest करें. And these investment banking companies have their employees in India, which is you. So employees in India generate information and do analysis on behalf of the main company. So आपका जो काम है इंडिया में, what Indians do in all this is purely back end work. So you don't sit across the table and decide the deals. So you process the information from here. So India में we process the information, we send it to the investment banking company's HO, and then on the base of that information, advice is given here. Correct? So you do equity research, you may say industry research, you may be asked to churn out a lot of numbers and understand various things. That's the work India does in terms of investment banking. Am I clear? Give me a yes or no, yes or no. Okay. हाँ, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है, please don't take me. The work environment they offer is very good. The amount of money which they offer is very good. Their working situations are very good. But if you want to do all this, then go into this. Because what happens is, if you invest a couple of years in something and then you decide, अरे यार मजा नहीं आ रहा है, okay, then take a break. Don't take this experience somewhere कि मैंने 2 साल काम करा, so you consider my experience. हाँ, you will have the experience of how to survive in an organization, how to understand the culture of the organization. All those things will go with you. But the technical knowledge, you can not take further, because that is not going to help. Okay. Priyanka, you are asking, do we have any chance to get job at entry level without any network with them? Very correct. You have the possibility. You go and apply to their websites. They open up their websites. Their careers page has the requirement. You apply. They will call you for an interview and schedule it. कोई जैक नहीं चाहिए प्रियंका, ये समझ लेना. You don't require any jack, any recommendations or support. You are chartered accountant, good, capable of your own self. Mayur, there is no additional requirement to get such jobs. You must be a brilliant chartered accountant. The kind of interview questions which they ask you, you should be able to crack them. They ask you a lot of mental ability questions, current affairs situations. They test your They test your capability, that how versatile you are. It's as simple as that. Okay. फिर ऐसा हो गया. Sir, what is the importance of referrals in Big Four? Okay, that couple of questions I'll just add. Just a minute. Sir, what is the importance of referrals in Big Four? Referrals are not meant for you, Rajat. Referrals are very important for people who are asking for your CVs. They get an amount once you get placed, and the amount is as good as Rajat. For example, Rajat has got a Rahul friend who's working in a Big Four. So that Rahul is chasing Rajat. Rajat, send me your CV, send me your CV, I'll put up. So once Rajat gets appointed in that Big Four, Rahul will get an amount of 50,000 rupees as a referral bonus. That's the importance of referral in Big Four, my friend. Okay. हाँ, तो अभी LinkedIn में your friends and your seniors are asking for CVs in that fashion only because they want to strike a good amount of money out of converting those referrals. That's the logic. Okay, Sheetal has a question. If we have other investment firms in India, okay, other than these three, JP Morgan, Chase, Morgan Stanley, okay, is the work and experience the same? Sheetal, I don't know actually, so I should not be able to comment on that if I don't know. So I should not be giving you any wrong answer. I must admit that I don't know about that, so I will not be able to give you an opinion on that. Okay. Sir, corporate finance आता है banking के अंदर. Sir, what is this corporate finance in banking? Sir, corporate finance. अच्छा, are you all okay? मतलब, can I take this session for next 20-30 minutes or not? Or are you all saturated now? Okay, so I just want to have a confirmation from many of you, that's why. नहीं तो बेचारे थक जाएंगे, बोलेंगे कहाँ फंस गए हम लोग, वैलेंटाइन वीक में ही हमको बिठा के पढ़ा रहा है. आई नो यार, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बन गए तो फिर अब ये सब मायने नहीं रखता है. जस्ट टू लाइटन अप योर मूड, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग. ठीक है. तो आई विल कंटिन्यू एज मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर सेइंग. ठीक है. So sir, corporate finance now comes in. So corporate finance कब काम आता है in banking? When you are handling the treasury functions. Sir, what about treasury functions? Now you understand. If you are in a bank and if you are into the treasury division, so what is the situation? If you have a bank account of, let's say, any of the company which is listed on NSE, either it's a Reliance or it's a Big Bazaar or if it's a Flipkart, or if it's an Amazon who is doing banking business with you, they are bringing loads of cash with you. And when that loads of cash along with that forex transactions and everything, they want the bank corporate finance department to help these corporates manage their money properly. That's one. As well as the banks have to manage their own liquidity positions on a day-to-day basis along with RBI. You have to take care of that. Nitin, it is not PMS clients. Don't confuse that. PMS stands for Portfolio Management Services, which is covered under the SEBI Investment Advisory angle. Don't bring it that here. It is corporate finance. जो real पैसा आता है उसको कैसे संभालना है. That is the treasury function. For example, if I have got 100 stores of 6,000 stores of Domino's today, so the cash collected by Domino's on a daily basis should be deposited by the next day into the central bank account, and the central bank account should be there showing me that the collections have come in, and that money has to be invested in liquid instruments or in some way so that it earns interest also for them. So that level of money management is done by corporate finance teams in banking. And then this is a very elaborative process. Under that you need people who can work on the established process with their brains active. So you are chartered accountants, you have active brains and you are being asked to work in corporate finance. तो किसी भी बैंक का जॉब लग जाए पुराने ज़माने की तरह, डोंट थिंक दैट बैंक का जॉब लग गया आई विल गेट आजीवन पेंशन एंड माई लाइफ इज सेट. नो, you have to ask what kind of work you are going to give it to me. This corporate finance deals with all that. Then comes credit. This is the loan giving department. Loan giving department. Here the loan giving department actually puts up a challenge to you. Sir, वो लोन देने वाला जितना डिपार्टमेंट काम करेगा ना, वहाँ पे you have to deal with the clients on a day-to-day basis. This involves field work. This involves actually selling the loan products also. ये भी मैं बता दूँ आपको. ICICI Bank has been the biggest recruiter of chartered accountants in the last 2 campus drives. And they recruit chartered accountants at 7.5, 8.5 or 9 lakh rupees. But what they are asked to do is a very different story altogether. They are not asked to do the real work what chartered accountants are doing. They are asked to do works like sell the product, sell the loan. They are given targets also. And then they have to manage that business also along with that. Yes, so it's partial sales, partial work. मेरे हिसाब से वो काम बुरा नहीं है अगर आपको वैसा अच्छा लगता है करने के लिए. If you really like interacting with people, if you really like understanding the business requirements, it's a good work. Don't defame it that it's a salesman type work. No. At the end of the day, if you open up your own CA office, then you have to sell your services. So there also you are a salesman. People don't simply walk in and step in. So you have to go and market yourself. So yes, that's the credit thing which is working. Am I clear for the banking? Hello? Any questions in the banking now? Relationship manager profile is the same, Nitin. Okay, so a very relevant question comes in. Is it different to shift from banking to audit firms? It is very difficult to shift from banking to audit firms because what will happen is once you get into a banking system, you understand their systems, their policies, their rules, their regulations, and after you are there for 6 to 12 months or a year or two, you forget everything about chartered accountancy, taxation and all other aspects. Target pressures are given. Credit analyst also gets covered. Correct? Okay. So one more question comes in. What about the analyst program of Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan? The analyst programs is meant for chartered accountants only, which I explained to you. Ragini has a question. As a fresher, is it good to get into consultancy firms or should we target industry? See, industry can be targeted any day. But if you go to an industry first and understand the nuances and spend 2-3 years there, then a CA firm may not take you because your versatility will come down. But in the initial years, if you are into a CA firm, your brain is more active, more fertile, thinking in various angles. After doing 2-3 years in a CA firm, going to an industry is very easy, but vice versa doesn't apply. If you do 2-3 years in a firm, in an industry, and then you think of going into a CA firm, it doesn't happen. But if you spend 2-3 years in a CA firm and then try to go to industry after your marriage or thinking to settle down, yes, it is possible. Correct? आगे चलूं? Okay. Sir, software के अंदर, software business also you have got 2 different things. Say like Infosys is a big recruiter of chartered accountants. Okay. इन्फोसिस, विप्रो का कोहॉर्ट्स प्रोग्राम आएगा अभी एक, और एक और आएगा विप्रो एंटरप्राइजेस का ग्लोबल फाइनेंस लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम, उसका भी सेशन है. द सेशन इज ऑन सैटरडे 13th. I will be putting it up. I will be sending the links after the session today. There the global finance leadership program person and the head of the global business will come and interact with you. There are two Wipros, okay? One is Wipro Technology, the IT company. The other is Wipro Enterprises, which makes all other things. Wipro Lights, Santur, as well as excavation machines, hydraulic machines, construction, mining, all that kind of stuff they have. So they are also coming. So they will have an interaction with you. जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, Wipro will have an interaction with you on 13th. Note the date, evening 5:30. I think I've already sent that thing to in your group ना, भेज दिया है मैंने आप लोगों को. मैंने भेजा है. आप लोग अभी सिर्फ फॉर्म भरने का ही डिस्कशंस कर रहे हो सब जने, इसलिए आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया होगा सब लोगों ने. ओके, चलिए. सो अंडर सॉफ्टवेयर, corporate finance is something where you are going to deal with the finance division of the company. Okay, so there is one more thing, and Wipro also hires you for a position of domain analyst. So Wipro and the TCS and the Infosys, they hire you for two positions. One is corporate finance and other is domain analyst. I'll tell you what domain analyst does. Corporate finance is hardcore finance work related, maintaining your books, getting the entries done, preparing the financial statements, coordinating with the auditors. Like जो client करके देता है आपको, all that work you will do in corporate finance. ठीक है. Domain analyst word पे जरा संभल के रहना. Why? I'll tell you. What a domain analyst does. Sir, client of Infosys. He is there in USA. Okay. Here Infosys is in Bangalore. Now client has a requirement. Sorry. एक मिनट. I'll just change the screen. एक मिनट. The screen should come in. I take classes on a daily basis for 4 hours a day. It doesn't even malfunctions once, and it has done it thrice in last 1 hour. Apple भी गलती कर सकता है. Okay, what I was trying to tell you, see, domain analyst. Sir, USA, there's a client of Infosys. He has a requirement. He sends that requirement via electronic mode to Bangalore. Now, Infosys has got software engineers. Okay. Now, what software engineers understand is technical language. The requirement comes in commercial terms. Okay, I want this reconciliation to happen. I want this balance to appear. So what basically there is an interface in between. So what they keep is they keep a person in between. The person is called a domain analyst. So what does a domain analyst do? He will convert the requirements of commercial terms to technical terms, and what technical team prepares for them, the technical team will tell to domain analyst, and domain analyst will communicate to the commercial team. This is what you will be doing at 9 lakh rupees per annum if you join up as a position of domain analyst. Am I clear? Okay. Correct. So that's what domain analyst does. So it's a good position or a bad position, I don't know. That's for everybody else to decide. Growth prospects हैं, yes, you grow. ऐसा नहीं है कि directly you are in front of the client. There's a big team working for you. So then you start growing within that team. Sometimes you lead a team, you become a team lead. And then when the softwares are getting implemented, then you become an implementation person also. You are even asked to go to on-site locations also, which may be abroad. अभी COVID में आप travel नहीं करोगे, but a year down the line, the traveling may start again. So you may end up traveling there. Correct? So that's what a domain analyst does. Okay, so I'm on to my almost the last slide. Startups. कितने लोगों को बहुत इच्छा है सर, I want to get into my own startup and start working, sir. I want to get into a startup and I really would like to work for them rather than doing something else. Somebody would have got an offer from a startup also. एक बात जरूर याद रख के जाना, if you are getting into a startup, one thing is for sure, you will be a generalist specialist. No fixed job description. No defined role. No set schedules and even pay uncertainty. ये याद रख लेना स्टार्टअप में जाने के लिए. But since you would have certain engineering friends, you would have seen TVF pictures, you would have seen various different shows. You think I can make up something on my own? Yes, go into it. It's kind of a risky game. हाँ, अगर आपको एडवेंचर करने का शौक है, if you really want to have some adventurous time with your own self and you want to test that if left to my own, what can I do for my own self? Join a startup. But if you said, sir, enough of the blood pressure high up and down after my CA final exams and passing it is a big challenge, I really don't want to stress myself, this is not the area for you. So it's all again going back to the perspective. Ab sir, how do we identify our own perspective? What am I good at? I'll give you small testers. Sir, if somebody comes up and says that I want to do every day a new work, every day something new and better and challenging to myself, then you get into advisory kind of a function. If you really like to meet people, then you get into advisory kind of function. Sir, I would love to spend my time sitting in a cubicle working on something which has been given to me, but I really don't want to give answers to people a lot. Then get into statutory audit, then get into the back-end taxation work. Correct? But if you really like to take challenges heads on and straight away in front of everybody, then you start doing those things this way. So you have to check what gives you a kick. I identified my kick how? After 8 days of audit, the most exciting time for me was interaction with the client. When I was discussing the report, finalizing the reports with the client and interacting with him, that was the time which gave me a high कि यार मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा इसमें आता है. So it's something like you have to sit back quietly and think over that what are the points and what are the things which gave you a kick, which gave you an excitement over the last 3 years. और ऐसा हो सकता है because of lack of exposure would have not got very good exposure in the offices, but still what you would like to do. और अगर ऐसा होता है that you choose something and it doesn't work that's perfectly okay. I repeat, if you choose something and it doesn't work for an year and you want to change, it's perfectly okay. There is no compulsion in the life. The biggest compulsion was to clear chartered accountancy. That is what you have done. Now everything is your own choice. Try it for some time. It doesn't look good for you, doesn't fits with you. It's easy to change. You are not dying if you are changing a job. But it's about listening your own self, that understanding that this is what is needed or not. Simran asks me, if interaction with clients and process understanding does give me a kick, should I go for advisory? Yes, you should go for advisory, Simran. This is how you should identify. Advisory future will always be there. सबको सब कुछ नहीं आता है, सलाह सबको लगती है. ये याद रखो. Advisory will have always a future, but you need to be always excited to give advisory work. ये बता देता हूँ. Correct? Then startups हो गए. उसके बाद क्या बचा? Okay. Nidhi says, I have done 3 years articleship and statutory audit at a Big Four. Want to do 2 years in direct tax advisory at Big Four. What are exit opportunities to industry after exposure in both these areas? Nidhi, after you do tax advisory work at Big Four with the 3 years of articleship coupled in statutory audit division, any industry can pick you up. Any industry means you would be in a privileged position to pick and choose what you want. It's as simple as that, because a couple of things which smaller city people would be trying to climb up and come up to the level which you have already completed, so you can go one step ahead out of that. And direct tax advisory at Big Four will help you advise clients at an international level and a bigger level. So then the orbit in which you will be discussing and taking things forward will be a different orbit. You will be interacting with those kind of people, you will be rubbing shoulders with them and then trying to give them advice on that only. So your orbit will be only metro cities or Europe, not coming to cities below metro, considering Bangalore being your home place. So that comes up as a soothing thing for you. You're on the right track. Chalo, अच्छा है. Good to see that. Role and scope of CA in health and fitness industry. Aman, in any industry, our role will be more of finance and accounts guy making legal things work properly for us. So it will be still the same. Correct? हाँ, manufacturing बच गया. Rajat, I'll take manufacturing. It's 7:22. So 10 minutes given to me or not? 10 minutes ना? ठीक है. So manufacturing. If you ask me, the best of the challenges of accountancy, understanding all the accounting standards and concepts, if lies anywhere, that is manufacturing. Raw material, work in progress, finished good, inventory valuation, debtor, creditor, everything, asset, WIP, जितना भी valuation issues हैं, सब कुछ करना है, वो आपको manufacturing में सबसे ज़्यादा challenge मिलता है. And the Wipro Enterprises, which is coming up for course on this 13th for a pre-placement talk, they are into manufacturing. So Wipro Technologies से ज़्यादा scope Wipro Enterprises का मिलेगा आपको उसमें. So manufacturing offers you everything, you know. Whatever the fundamentals which you develop in accountancy, costing, taxation, direct tax, all develop from manufacturing. मतलब a dream company to work is an ITC, a dream company to work is a HUL if you are into manufacturing. The best of the processes which they apply, Tata Group है, वहाँ पे जाके आप काम करते हो, you come to know how things are working there. Correct? So manufacturing if you get, अच्छा, the best thing about is if you are into manufacturing, you can any day be absorbed into service industry, because service industry doesn't have that much of complication. There you have either a percentage completion method or a completed service contract method. Other than these two revenue recognition things and Ind AS 115, you don't have much of complications. But in manufacturing, you've got a lot of complications coming in on a regular basis. क्योंकि वहाँ situation बड़ी typical और unique होती है हर जगह. So manufacturing takes the biggest thing, like in terms of challenge, offering you an exposure. The best exposure is available in manufacturing. ठीक है? Sir, what all we can help you with? हाँ, further studies. अभी एक बात बताओ, कितने बच्चों को और पढ़ाई करने का मन है? इतना सारा पढ़ाई किया है तुम लोगों ने, इमीडिएटली वापस सीए करने के बाद और क्या करने का? And even if you want to do studies, go into the market, get some exposure now, and once that exposure is there, then you think of going into another higher studies. I am that kind of an opinion of a person, if you ask me. Correct? So further studies, if you want to do CA के बाद, if you want to pursue MBA. Now if you want to pursue MBA, MBAs में more mainly technical people go in MBAs. You are already having the financial, technical, commercial, legal and operational knowledge. Correct? So then, why do you want to add on one more degree rather than adding one more set of experience? Add some set of experiences with yourself. Now what all we can help you with in manufacturing companies कम काजोल. आप लोगों को यही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, you have to think a lot. अभी आप फॉर्म भरने पे लगे हो सब लोग ICI कैंपस का. There are many more things to be done beyond that. We will give you CV drafting assistance through guidelines. I will not take one-on-one sessions on CV drafting. Guidelines in terms of post, in certain general do's and don'ts, we will forward. Okay, let me be very clear on that. First point should not be construed as, will you be drafting CV for us? No, I won't. That cannot be done because CV is your own definition. There is no set format for a CV. The best you can present yourself is the way you are. Okay. So don't get into this copy paste attitude of others कि boss I want to copy a CV है, objective इधर से copy कर लिया, scale उधर से copy कर लिया और अपना अपन ने CV बना दिया. Don't do that. Okay. First. Second, we'll organize placement drives. That answers the question many of you are asking. NATA Professional Academy has got a consent from all the big fours now. All the big fours will be taking candidates from us. We will send you a Google form. Under that Google form, you attach your CV and fill all the details. And you can also select which division, which place you want to apply for. We have got vacancies for all the big fours available now. Deloitte, PwC, KPMG, EY. Not the Deloitte USI, not the PwC SDC, okay? Not the KPOs, but the real hardcore CA firms. I have got vacancies for all of them. I will send a single form of Google, fill it properly, attach your CV. We will send your CVs in bulk to them and they will get in touch with you directly. रागिनी, पहले तो सब CVs इकट्ठे होंगे. Once you are shortlisted, the decision whether to do a physical drive or a virtual drive is still under consideration as and when COVID situations are improving. We are trying really hard to have a face-to-face drive in Indore, but it is not possible. And I will share the link in the WhatsApp group. Okay. I know you don't have the WhatsApp membership. I'll just मोनिका मैं बोल रहा हूँ एनपीए का कैंपस होगा, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ आपको मैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. थर्ड, वी विल ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड यू सर्टेन स्लाइड्स as well as interview preparation assistance material, what to study, what not to study. स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिट के इंटरव्यू में कौन से क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे, टैक्सेशन के इंटरव्यू में कौन से कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस होंगे, all that I will be sending over the WhatsApp to you. So now you need to be on the WhatsApp to get all the details of such things on a daily basis. Okay. Fourth is career counseling sessions by appointment. This is something which we don't do for masses, which we do for specific individuals by appointment only. And generally we don't do it in bulk. Okay. But that is something कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा कोई फंसा हुआ हो और तो मिलना है by appointment. And considering the COVID, अभी हम ये नहीं कर रहे हैं. A one-to-one session is to be done on Zoom or something, then you have to speak to us on this. Okay. Fifth, Periodic sessions like the one we are having today. We do periodic sessions. जैसा एक session आज किया है मैंने आप लोगों के साथ. We keep on doing it. If you are actively available on WhatsApp, we keep sending these posts and these invites that this is going to happen on this particular date well in advance, and you can attend it. Okay. Interactive webinars from industry experts periodically. This is something which is a very niche kind of an area which we try to do. We bring in experts from various places, and सबसे बड़ी बात, all these experts are none other than NPA alumni now. Now NPA alumni is 10 years old. The first placement drive was held in 2010. So now 10 years down the line, people have reached on to bigger positions. They have become partners, they have become directors, they have become heads in various companies. And if we ask them to come up and share their views for 35 or 40 minutes on a weekend, they are more than happy to do it. That is what is the set of interactive webinars which we do on a periodic basis. We don't publicize it too much. We don't do it. It's a closely held WhatsApp group, and we do it simply on that. Links come in and people attend it. As simple as that. जैसे अभी हो रहा है आप लोगों के साथ. Okay. So we give NPA alumni support throughout our life once you become a member. Sir, becoming a member does not require filling of any form. If you are on the WhatsApp group, you are an NPA alumni member. As simple as that. Okay. So these were the things which I wanted to have a discussion with you. Correct? If I may ask all of you to switch on your camera so that we can see all of you who have been attending, and we can click a photograph with each other, that would be really nice. May I please ask you to switch on your cameras and present yourself in front of the audience. Just a minute, let everybody else switch on the cameras. It would be good to have a... I am giving the WhatsApp group link. Just a minute. Hi to all of you. Okay. Clicked. There will be two sections. Just a minute. बहुत सारे लोगों ने अभी भी कैमरा स्विच ऑन नहीं करा. If you can switch on, it will be good. Pankuri, where did you go? Okay. So I hope I gave you some value. You invested almost a couple of hours with me today. So I hope I have given you some value. If yes, please raise a hand. Okay. People are fluctuating here and there. I can't figure out. Okay. So there would be many more questions which would be there in your mind and you would like to ask, and I am more than available.